So one of the biggest questions we get is actually how many stuffed animals fit in an extra large stuffing tin. So I brought with me a real little girl to help us figure this out. You ready, little girl?
Sure.
All right, let's double up. So this guy's full, a little bit of room to spare, but pretty darn full. This is about 100 stuffed animals, this one. Sounds like a lot, but I'll bet if you start adding your kids up, you'd be really surprised how many that is. That's what 100 stuffed animals looks like. So, ready to put them all back in?
Yeah.
Sorry. All part of the video. All right, ready? All right, stuff it. Oops. I'm not doing a very good job holding this open for you. All right. Once you get it going, it's easy to hold open. All right, let's see how fast you can do it. Land speed record. Do you know what the world record for beanbag stuffing is with stuffed animals? Me neither. Doing great. Good job. Keep going. Let me help. I can help. We may need to sign up for Guinness Book for that one.
There is like no such Guinness
Because there's no
record.
such record. There's not a record yet.
So I made the record.
Yep. I'm sure we could record that.
And then it would be like you win the record. I mean,
You would.
Either way.
You went for a week, then somebody would fill a beanbag faster with stuffed animals.
And I go hand.
How are we doing? Oh, two behind you. Two behind you. And look under the bag. Ready? Look. I knew there'd be some. All right, now zip her up. Zip, 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 zip. All right, handle side up. What do you think? Like that? Cannonball? So that is unstuffing and stuffing 100 stuffed animals. And they're not all over the floor.